So, in today's section, we will discuss contacts versus connect. We will understand what they are and why we should know about them. We will also talk about the companies having ERP. Many times it is asked when the company is using the ERP, does it need the CRM? And then we will talk about the companies using vendor CRM. Many times when dealers are appointed, the company provides the CRM. Do they need a separate CRM? We will understand these points. And lastly, new age companies versus conventional companies. So let us start with the first topic, contacts versus connects. Tell me one thing, how deep do you know your customers? You have started thinking. It is worth thinking. What do I mean when I ask how deeply do you know the customers? Let us see a few examples. How many products do they offer? How many SKUs are there? You should have this knowledge. At least you should know how many categories do they deal in. Number 2, what is going on in their current business? What new process are they planning to bring in? Or which new dealership are they planning to take? Or which new product are they planning to launch? And such others. And number 3, what are their team sizes, department wise? You should have all this information because when you know all these points, you will be able to understand the customer's problem. Only when you understand a problem, you can pitch the CRM to give a solution. If you really want to sell the CRM, you must have a deep knowledge of your customer's business. And how do you get this knowledge? When you stay connected with them, right? You will talk to them, you will tell them about yourself. Please make sure that you are connected with your customers so that you are updated about all these things. Let us take another example. Let us say you have 500 contacts on your mobile phone. Tell me honestly, how many of these 500 are you really connected with? Well, that's the reality that we have contacts, but we are not connected with them. What you should do to develop the connects with the customers, I will tell you about this in the next chapter, which is chapter number 5 of generating leads for the CRM. Coming back to our point, when we stay connected, we come to know the things and we can pitch the CRM easily. Now, let us see what everybody does. They try to find new customers, they want to make new sales, make new customers, but they forget about the existing ones. And this is a big mistake. It sounds like a bird in hand is better than two in a bush. You may find this funny and you must be smiling. Anyway, jokes apart, the message I wanted to convey is that please do not ignore your existing customers. Stay connected with them, and in the next chapter, we will discuss what we should do to maintain the connects. So, I hope you have understood about contacts versus connects. Start working on it from today itself and start making connections with your contacts. Now, let's move to the next topic, which is companies having ERP. The question here is, when a company is already using an ERP, does it need a CRM? If yes, then why so? Let us see. So, the majority of organizations using ERP will buy a dedicated CRM for their sales force. I'm saying this out of my experience. Now, let us understand the reasons why a company using an ERP would go for the CRM. First, let us understand that the ERP and the CRM have different philosophies and psychologies of their products. People who have created them have different thought processes, different philosophies in creating their products. Let us see what the CRM manages. The CRM is built to manage people and processes for better customer experience. This is the thought process. Whereas the ERP is built for managing money and material for better revenue and profitability analysis. So you can see how different they are from each other. So let us understand what the CRP consists of. What the ERP consists of. ERP has processes of HR, finance, accounting, inventory, production, supply chain management, and some ERPs also have a basic CRM module. So the ERP has all these functions. The next question is the basic CRM module in the ERP enough to manage the sales? The answer is a big no. because it will fail to deliver effective functionality to the sales team. As I told you, it is not a full fledged module, it is only a basic module, and hence it will not be able to deliver what the organization needs to manage the sales. And secondly, the fundamental premise on which the ERP is built is not suitable for the CRM. Simple. The reason is that they are created for different purposes. This is the reason why the basic CRM module of ERP is not successful. And the ERP focuses more on the back end part of the business, as we just saw. And when it comes to facing the customers, then CRM is required. 100% it is required. For example, we can say focusing on the customers, tracking the customer journey, following up with the customers, marketing campaigns, analyzing sales data to make strategies, and others. So, here, any company wants to grow its sales or wants to improve customer relations like growth, customer retention, customer satisfaction that I just talked about. They will use the CRM tool in order to achieve these goals. Correct? So you must have understood why any company, in spite of employing an ERP, uses the CRM to manage the sales force. Never think that the customer using the CRP will never buy the CRM or never use the CRM. Many times we think that, oh, they are already using the ERP, they have all the facilities there, the problem is solved. But we have never discussed this openly about what challenges they are facing. Okay. So when the client is using the ERP, and here I'm talking about large or medium enterprises, not the small businesses or businesses with small teams. Large businesses and enterprises will go for the CRM even though they are using the ERP. Okay. So I have clarified the concept here. Now let us move on to our third topic, which is customers using OEM vendor CRM. Which are these businesses? These are such customers like Tally partners or distributors of Microsoft or channel partners. The vendors of these businesses provide the CRM to them. The question is, do they get or do they require the CRM in spite of that CRM? Let us understand this. So, let me tell you the fact that we have several customers who have been provided the CRM by their OEM vendors, and still they use NJ's CRM. You may think that they already have the CRM. Why they must use NJ's CRM? There are multiple reasons, but I will share the major and strong reasons which will clear the point to you. Let us understand. The first reason is, suppose I'm a partner of Microsoft. The Microsoft company has given me the CRM. Alongside, I'm also a partner of Tally or Dell or HP. I've taken multiple dealerships. Then it becomes very complicated for me to manage all the things at one time in the CRM. And the second thing is, yes, Microsoft has given me the CRM, but it has processes designed as per Microsoft requirements. The analysis will be done according to them. Reporting will be done as per those processes. There will be nothing according to my requirement. To manage all these things properly, I do need an outside CRM so that I get the reports as per my requirement. I analyze data as per my requirement, design the workflow and processes as per my requirements so that I can manage all my partners. So I hope this video must have clarified to you why, in spite of using the OEM vendor CRM, your customers need another CRM. But make sure that they offer multiple products. Our channel partners to multiple vendors have taken several dealerships. Only then you will be able to pitch this way. If he is only a Tally partner and works only for Tally, and Tally has given him the CRM, then he may not require your CRM. Now you must have a clear idea about it. Now let us move on to our next topic, which is new age companies versus conventional companies. Okay. Mostly the new age companies try the sales CRM first or opt for that. When you go to a new age company, talk with your focus on sales. And the conventional companies go for the help desk or the service CRM, which includes customer support or service engineers visiting client sites for servicing. This is the difference between the two. Okay, both of them need both. Okay, both have sales and both have service. But what we have noticed from our experience is that the new age companies go for the sales CRM first, and the conventional companies go for the help desk CRM first. So there is no big reason for it. I'll tell you the reason. The new generation people of new age companies, they want to focus on sales and they want to increase revenue, right? They are sales driven businesses. They want bigger numbers of sales. And the conventional companies, however, they have stable sales. They think, okay, the sales are stable, no problem on that front. Let us focus more on the customer service. This is the difference of thought process between the new age and conventional companies. That's all. So when you go to a new age company, again, focus on sales. When you go to a conventional company, talk more about customer service and satisfaction. Both companies need both things. However, your closure will improve if you focus on their target areas. Okay. So we have covered all the topics here. And now we will move on to the next section, which is examples of industries who might buy CRM and why. It is like a bonus video for you. I've already given you many examples of industries, but I will give you some more examples so that you can filter the contact from your contact lists and think where you can pitch the CRM. So let us meet in the next video, next section. Thank you and take care.